This is how to take a picture of your driver's license and upload it to the online portal. During the account opening process, you will see a page that is similar to this, where basically it will give you a field to upload a file. So what you're going to do is open your phone and you're going to click on the camera app. Then you're going to hold your driver's license in front of the camera. Make sure your fingers aren't covering any information on the driver's license. Also make sure it's not too close because it will be blurry, and that it's not too far because you won't be able to see it or read it. So just make sure it's a good distance away. Take the picture and you're going to click on the picture in the bottom left corner here. Keep in mind this is for iPhone. On Android it's going to look a little bit different. Once you have the picture opened, you're going to go ahead and click on the icon in the bottom left corner, which is a box with an arrow pointing up. Then you're going to click on the Mail app, which is right here. In the To section, you're going to enter your email address. And in the subject line, you're going to enter driver's license or DL. And you're going to go ahead and click on this up arrow icon in the upper right corner of the phone. Then you're going to follow the same process for the back of the driver's license. So we do need the front and the back. Then you're going to open the email and locate the email you just received. The picture may actually be embedded in the email, or it may come as an attachment. It just depends on your email settings. If it comes as an attachment, then there should be an option where you can right click it and click download. Also, to the side of the attachment, there might be a down arrow, so you'll click on that and then click download. Or if it's embedded in the email, you just want to scroll down towards the middle of the picture. You're going to left click and then right click and then click Save as Picture. And you can save it anywhere. I'm just going to save it here on my desktop. Click Save. Then you're going to go back to our online portal. If you signed out, you'll just have to sign back in. And left click here in this rectangle under File to Share. Go to where you saved the file. And double click the file. And again, we do need the front and the back of the driver's license. For today, I'm just uploading one. And then you would just go ahead and click Submit and continue the process. And that is how to take a picture of your driver's license using your cell phone. Thank you.